Hello guys, so welcome to the coding channel once again, the decent coder. And guys, today I have brought you with some of the Microsoft free certification courses. As I promised to you in some of my previous videos, I told you that if any sort of Microsoft certification courses would be coming up in the future, I would be providing with you with that courses. So guys, here is a Microsoft AI classroom series. So if you are interested in basically artificial intelligence, data science and the augmented virtual reality sort of courses, then you can basically enroll up in these sort of courses. And what will be provided to you is you will be provided with this free certification course by Microsoft. And since Microsoft has partnered with NASCOM, and this sort of like series, which is the AI classroom series, like which hosted by Microsoft, is basically supported by GitHub. So there will be trainings provided to you around this domain, basically by cloud. That only there will be people from there. They will be providing you with the content and the trainings to you guys. And then what you will be there would be an exam for you guys. So if you want to basically prepare for the exam, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will provide you with the access materials and the preparation materials as well. And guys, you can surely enroll for this course. So how you have to basically enroll? This course would be available for you. This is not a basically course, this is a series, or sort of you can say a sort of webinar provided to you. You will be have to register with your particular email ID, and then with that particular email ID you will be receiving an email to give the exam. And after giving the exam, the certificates will be supplied to you, will be provided to you guys. So simply you have to click on this register now button, and after that you will be seeing this sort of window where you will be seeing register now and get skilled at your own pace. And the classes will be available, or I could say there would be totally 6 sessions as told earlier, like March 22 to March 27. So these 6 days would be there. The sessions would be there. You can enroll in any one of this session, or on which you feel free, or if you want, if it is fixed that you can enroll it at a particular date, then it's fine. Otherwise you can enroll in all of these days, and then whenever you get time, suppose so you have to attend this particular training. And then what you will get is you will be receiving a plenty of knowledge regarding this artificial intelligence domain and the data science domain, and then you will be receiving the certificate as well. So guys, this was today's Microsoft certification courses. And if you want such sort of courses, you can see here speaker sessions as well. So this is Bhavesh Goswami. As I told you, he's the CEO of Cloud.dat, and he is only the lead instructor or the lead trainer who provides the sessions, and the rest of the people, they remain in the background and they suggest and they keep clearing your queries in the background. So guys, this was the certification courses I was talking about. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you want more certification courses from Microsoft or any other platform, then you can tell me in the comment section regarding that. I will be surely making a video over it whenever they are available or whenever they are provided, as soon as I get the information about them. So thank you guys, and let me see you in the next video.